Welcome to Top Num Up. Food is more than nourishment, it's connection. Across the world, certain dishes are designed to bring people together. Today, we're exploring 20 iconic foods that unite us through flavor, culture, and shared experience. Pizza. Italy. A universally loved dish, pizza brings friends and families together across cultures. Sushi. Japan, shared in platters and handcrafted with care, sushi is as social as it is artistic. Tacos. Mexico, eaten at festivals, food trucks, and family tables, tacos are meant to be shared. Paella. Spain. A vibrant dish traditionally served in the center of the table for everyone to enjoy. Dim sum. China, a collection of small dishes meant to be shared with tea. The heart of Cantonese social dining. Fondue. Switzerland, dipping bread into melted cheese. Fondue is about warmth and connection. Couscous. Morocco. Often served on one big platter, couscous symbolizes hospitality and family. Korean BBQ. Korea grilled at the table and shared, it's a dining experience built on togetherness. Biryani. India, a dish rich in spices and tradition, often made for gatherings and festivals. Feijoada. Brazil. A comforting stew best enjoyed in big portions with friends and samba. Hot pot. China. Everyone cooks their own bites together in the same pot. The definition of communal eating. Barbecue. U.S. From Texas to the Carolinas, barbecue is a celebration of food and community. Tagine. North Africa, slow-cooked and served to many, tagine reflects culture, spice, and hospitality. Pierogi. Poland, homemade dumplings often made in groups, from kitchen to table with love. Tamales, Latin America, wrapped, steamed, and shared. Tamales are a festive tradition. Jollof rice, West Africa. A beloved party food that sparks both joy and regional pride. Pho, Vietnam. A deeply nourishing noodle soup served hot and enjoyed in company. Shakshuka. Middle East eggs poached in spicy tomato sauce, perfect for brunch with friends. Roast dinner. UK Sundays are for roasts, a family tradition of shared meals and conversation. Hummus and mezze. Middle East, small plates, dips, and breads. Mezze is all about sharing and community. From big gatherings to quiet family moments, food has the power to connect hearts and cultures. Which of these dishes have you shared with others? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Top Num Up.